Welcome to Descriptives. If you watch the other video, you understand what it is. Descriptive statistics tell all about your participants based on a number, not a 1 through 5 or anything like that, like a Likert scale. This is age. You have a number. I am going to be on the 17th. I'm going to be 62. Next year I'll be 63. And that is a number, and those numbers come out and you get these things: a minimum, a maximum, a mean, and a standard deviation. That's it. And those are the four things that you're looking for. If you're doing this in Excel, you will have to run all of the different formulas to get all of these answers, but the ending will be the same. In this slide, you'll see that two numbers are highlighted. You see the mean and standard deviation. This is important because you'll have to do a lot of editing if you don't get this right. We round up to the tens, 100ths place, the hundreds place. So we're going 2 decimals. You see there's 4 numbers after the decimal. We need to go to 2, so you're rounding up. So as you can see, that first one is 47, 66, 25. And we're going to change that to 47.66 because that next number, that number 2, is below 5. And then on the standard deviation, it's above a 5. So we are going to say 18.18. There's only certain times we go three spots after the decimal, and that's in different tests. You don't have to worry about that today. Okay, again, minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation. And you see how I've got the mean and the standard deviation right there in italics. Okay, I do that every time so you can get used to using the italics on those symbols that we worked on a couple weeks ago. So in this last slide, we're going to talk about the write-up. You do not put in this line that right here. The write-up for this data is as follows. It's not. I'm just letting you know that this is the write-up. Okay. You see that I've color-coded everything, so you just follow it down here and color-code it the same way. This is the actual write-up for this one right here, which is for the demographic of age, comma. The minimum was 18, the maximum was 79, so it's 18 to 77 years of age. That's for readability. You want it to be able to read well. And the mean was 47.66, and in parentheses here, italicized with SD, space between equal marks. And I will send you back if you don't put the space. Anytime you have an equal sign, equal signs are very selfish. They don't want anybody around them. There's a space on either side. That's what I always remember. And then it's 18.8, close parentheses, and the period comes afterwards. It's not hard. It's just you got to run your data, get your answers, and that. Remember, no SPSS boxes at any time. If I ask you for something, it's going to be in an APA table or it's going to be an APA level graph. Okay? Go to it.